Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1-2-Step. If you're trying to activate your credit card of Santander Bank, then in this video let me show you how it's done. Quickly get into the video, open up your web browser and search for Santander credit card activation. Once you do, it's gonna open up this search result which says activating your new card, and it is the customer support page. If you click on it, you can scroll down and click on activate your credit card. Now here it's going to show you the exact steps that you need to do in order to activate your card. The first thing you need to do is log into your online banking of Santander Bank. So you can just click on this online banking option and it's going to take you to a login box. Just click on the login option and you can see this login box. Now the second step that you need to do is after you log in, you'll need to click on the My Details and Settings tab that you see inside of the online banking. Next, click on the Other Services and you'll have an option of activating your card. Once you do that, a one-time password will be sent to the registered mobile number that you have linked with your Santander Bank, and once you type in the OTP that has been sent in the next section, your credit card of Santander Bank will be successfully activated. So there are no lengthy steps that you need to do to activate your card. Within a couple of steps, your credit card of Santander Bank will be successfully activated. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.